Cool, so my hair is really straight now. I kind of look like I should be in like a 90s music video. It's a bit weird.
Okay, that is so good.
So today we're testing the GHD Glide, which is their first straightening brush.
It heats up to 185 degrees, which is quite hot, but it's not like your 200 degrees, so it's not going to burn your hair.
It might look like a normal brush, but it is actually sort of like a hybrid between a brush and a straightener.
It is £125.
It's supposed to smooth, frizz, kind of give your style a bit more of a polished finish.
Now for me, straightening brushes don't work on my hair, like I'm just being honest. We'll see if this works for maybe just giving this a bit more of a polished look.
I don't really use straighteners that often. My hair is naturally quite straight.
This, if it works, will be perfect for my hair type because it will help me style it and make it look less like a lion's mane. So I will say I have used a styling brush before and I was quite impressed. So we'll see how this one measures up. I'm gonna do it slowly. It does have a good grip. Ooh, that's good.
I think this does a really good job if you're just going for a second day, your hair's got a bit wavy because of humidity and rushing for the tube and all that kind of stuff. It's doing a really good job even though I'm not sectioning it off.
Oh, it definitely did smooth it. Like this side of my hair is looking a bit smoother.
Obviously this isn't as hot as straightener, so I'm guessing it's doing less damage to my hair, but it is making it as straight as the straighteners would. Looks so good, right? I'm really, really impressed.
I don't know how many times you're supposed to go over, but I'm presuming just until you get the style you want.
Okay, that is so good. How long did that take? 5 minutes. It feels really soft.
I do feel like because my hair's a bit thicker, I'm having to like push it into the brush.
Can't believe how quick that was.
Why does this side look flatter than that side? I've done this side a lot more. Not that much hair's come out on it though, which is good.
Wow, look at it. Cool, so my hair is really straight now. I kind of look like I should be in like a 90s music video. It's a bit weird.
Straightening brushes don't work for my hair when it's curly. And this is, if you can see, this is like the best it's going to be. And this is from 2 other methods of straightening initially. So it is straighter, but I don't know if it's worth the money for me to spend on another brush.
So it definitely does what it says it's going to do. For £125, like, I personally wouldn't need it and probably wouldn't buy it. But I think that if your hair has got a bit more natural texture to it, it could be a useful tool to have. Maybe I'm just not the ideal customer.
I've just done my whole head of hair in probably like 15 minutes, and normally I wash my hair and I blow dry it with like a blow dry brush, and that takes about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, which is really long, so I have to section out plan my whole week around washing my hair. But this, I think, is going to change all of that. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be using that now, probably every time I wash my hair afterwards. Yeah, it's amazing. I love it.